Hello, my dear students. In this video, I'll tell you the very important property of the matrix, transpose of the matrix, and the two different type of matrices like symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix and their application. First, I've taken the reference of the book Understanding ISC Mathematics for Class 12 by M.L. Agrawal. This is the chapter 3 and exercise 3.4, just before the 3.4. In this, I have written here transpose of the matrix and something about this matrix. But before that, in the earlier video, I have explained about the matrices. If you go through the study break channel, if you open the playlist, you will get everything about the matrices. In class 10 also there is a matrix chapter, and in class 12 also, just I have explained in my first part of the matrix chapter in the class 12. What is the transpose of the matrix? I have taken one example, that is A matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Do you know the order of the matrix? What is the order of the matrix? The number of rows, these are called rows. The number of rows into number of columns, these are the columns. It means the order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. This is the square matrix. Then what is the transpose? If you interchange the rows and columns, इनको interchange करें rows and columns, then 2, 3, 1, the row 1 will be changed into the column 1. The row 2 will be changed into the column 2. And the row 3 will be changed into the column 3. This is called transpose of the matrix, and this is represented by the A, इसके ऊपर T लिख दे, or you can write A dash. Anyone you can write A T or A dash. Generally A dash I write here. In some books you will get. This is the transpose. Clear? Simple. Very simple. Now some properties are there. Properties of transpose. If you do again the transpose of this matrix of this one, to change the number of rows into the columns. If double transpose means you will get the same matrix. You can check. 2 minus 1 6 will change into the column 1 as it. The row 2 will change into the column 2 and row 3 will change into the column 3. It means that double transpose you will get the same matrix. A dash whole dash. This is the same matrix. Then other properties. If you have the two matrices in addition and whole transpose, you can do by the two ways. हम A plus B पहले matrix को add कर ले and then we take the transpose. Otherwise, the matrix A का transpose करें and then add the transpose of the matrix B. A dash plus B dash. Similarly, A minus B dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. But if you have any scalar मतलब कोई number है, कोई ऐसे है, in that case the Ka whole transpose. अब scalar है तो 2, जैसे for example, if you have the 7 and this 2, 5, 6, 9, and if you have the transpose of this one, तो transpose of this one तो 7 को तो transpose होगा 7, you will multiply directly here. So you can write 7 outside the bracket and transpose only this matrix. So this is the way to find. So in this case you will get the K outside and transpose of only the matrix. वैसे भी ट्रांसपोज सिर्फ मैट्रिक्स का ही किया जाता है. माइनस ए then dash is equal to minus, you can take outside like the K and transpose of E. Similarly, but the very important property, this one, if the two matrices are in multiplication and you have the transpose of this such type, whole transpose, then first you write the second matrix, the transpose of the second matrix dots transpose of the first matrix. This is the formula, and this is very important one in case of transpose of the matrix, properties of the transpose. The first one and the last one, both you will use frequently. Clear? So these are the properties. Now I am going to tell you about the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So one heading is here, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric and skew symmetric. What is the meaning of symmetric? I suppose one matrix A is equal to, and I am telling the symmetric one, A H G B C H G F F. Means write the first row as AHG, the first column as AHG, then the diagonal as ABC, then the remaining F. Okay. If you see this matrix and take the transpose, iska transpose karo. So if you do the transpose of this matrix, what you will get? The interchange the rows and columns. First row will change into the first column, that is AHG. Second row write as second column HBF. Third row write as the third column. Can you recognize or can you differentiate these two matrices? No, you cannot differentiate. Kyun? Because these two are same. You can see AHG, AHG, HBF, HBF, GFC, GFC. So there is no difference in transpose of the matrix A. Means both are same. Such a type of matrix known as symmetric matrix. इस मैट्रिक्स को सिमेट्रिक्स कहा जाता है. When you get the same matrix after interchanging the rows and columns, या हम कह सकते हैं transpose after taking the transpose of the matrix, then and there is no change in the matrix, then the matrix known as symmetric matrix. And the property of the symmetric matrix is A is equal to A dash. This is the property. Clear? This property you will use in the question. If in any question it is given the matrix A is symmetric, just you recall what is the property of the symmetry and then you write A is equal to A dash. If it is written that suppose A B is symmetric matrix, so for example A into B is symmetric matrix, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि A into B dash is equal to AB. Means according to the property of this. Agar AB is a matrix and this is symmetric, it means that their transpose also equal to the AB. क्योंकि उसका transpose AB के same matrix के होना चाहिए. अगर हम A dot B को एक matrix C मान लें तो C dash is equal to C. So this is the way to do the question in the exercise. Second matrix, I tell you the skew symmetric. अब skew symmetric में हमें कुछ और मैट्रिक्स लेना पड़ेगा. हम लेके बता रहे हैं इसको. If A is equal to 0, 0, 0, A, B, C, A, B and C. For the skew symmetric matrix, just you see द डायगोनल, द प्राइमरी डायगोनल ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, इसे प्राइमरी डायगोनल कहते हैं। हम एक चीज बना दें इसमें, ये जो दिस वन, दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्राइमरी डायगोनल, मतलब 1 2 1 2 3, and these elements A B C and this is A D E F for example, this is the primary diagonal, this is the secondary diagonal, हम बात कर रहे हैं primary diagonal, and the element below the primary diagonal, if you draw here a triangle, can you draw the triangle like this? This is called the elements of lower triangle, इसे lower triangle कहते हैं, and this is the element of the upper triangle. तो lower triangle and upper triangle, okay, just above the primary diagonal and below the primary diagonal. In this I'll talk about this. This is the primary diagonal, all elements are 0, and the element of the lower triangle and element of the upper triangle must be same numerically, मतलब numerically मतलब उनका magnitude same हो जाए, but differ with sign, must differ with sign. Jैसे for example, if A is there, then minus A should be here. If minus B here, then plus B here. If minus C here, then plus C should be here. मतलब ये कि these two are the same, but sign will be opposite. जैसे minus B plus B, C and minus C कहीं भी हो सकते हैं, but the sign will be opposite. If you take the transpose of this matrix, now we talk about the transpose. So what is the first row? 0 A B minus A, 0 minus C minus B C 0, and if you take common minus sign, तो 0 A B minus A, 0 minus C minus B C 0, minus sign common. This matrix and this matrix, can you take see these two matrices? Yes, are same. These two are same. It means you can say this A dash is equal to minus A. This is the, in place of this you can write the A. This is the property of the skew symmetric. तो this ये property skew symmetric की है, और जो A is equal to A dash, अब इसको हम इस तरह भी ले सकते हैं, A is equal to minus A dash. This is also the same thing. These two are the same thing. तो ये लिख सकते हैं and you will get the answer. Thereafter, the one type of question, this is the different one that you can do in this exercise. ऐसे तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन बड़ा इजी है कि जैसे कोई if any matrix, suppose it is given the matrix A, one question, matrix A 1 2 3 x 1 5 and 6 2 y. So for example, and this matrix is symmetry, मतलब ये बताया जा रहा है this matrix is symmetry. इसको हम बना दे रहे हैं 3 okay, and then this matrix is symmetry, and find the values of x and y if the matrix is symmetry. तो तुमको क्या करना है सर, you will have the interchange the rows and columns, and then 1 2 3 x 4 2 and 3 2 y. Then according to the property A is equal to A dash, you put here, so 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to x, so x is equal to 2, you will get 3 is equal to 3, then x is equal to 2 again, 4 is equal to 4, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 2, y is equal to y. मतलब you can say that you can get the value of the given constant. तो इस तरह से हम values को निकाल सकते हैं. But one question is there, yeah, one different type of question. You have to express any square matrix in the as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. मतलब कोई भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स यू कैन एक्सप्रेस एज द सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो आई टेल यू द क्वेश्चन हियर. एक्सप्रेस मैट्रिक्स A and this I'm taking the little bit the small example, that is 2 3 1 5 for example, and then as sum of, you can take the 3 cross 3 matrix also, in your book it is given, but the same procedure you will do. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetry. Okay. How to do? अगर मैट्रिक्स A दिए गए हैं तो फर्स्ट यू फाइंड द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स A. तो ट्रांसपोज A is equal to, it is given 2 3 1 5. So what is the transpose of the matrix? That is 2 3 1 5. Clear? Then find the, this is the first step, find the transpose of the matrix as the first step. Second step, find the addition, the sum of the matrix A and transpose. So you will get 2 3 1 5 plus 2 1 3 5, and the resultant will be, after addition, 2 to 4 3 1 4 1 3 4 5 5 10. Can you say this matrix is the symmetric? क्योंकि डायगोनल से कोई मतलब नहीं ABC, but these elements are same. हमने ये बताया the symmetric matrix. If you reverse the video, if you take the go a little bit back, so you will have the properties of the symmetric matrix कि diagonals are different, या different या कोई भी numbers होते हैं, but the upper one, the diagonal के ऊपर, the upper elements of the diagonal and the lower elements of the diagonal are same in the symmetric matrix. So this is the symmetric one. Now you find the A minus A dash, the subtraction of the two matrix. So 2 3 1 5, this minus 2 1 3 5. So it will be 0. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 1 2. 1 minus 3 minus 2, and 5 minus 5, that is 0. Up, if you recall the properties of the skew symmetry, the diagonal is 0, diagonal elements of diagonal are 0, and the upper elements of the diagonal, upper of the diagonal and lower of the diagonal, ये जो प्राइमरी डायगोनल है, इनके जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं वो only differ with sign. Numerically are same, but only differ with sign. तो ये 2 हो गया, ये -2. It means these this matrix is symmetric and this matrix is skew symmetric. And how to express this A as symmetric and skew symmetric? तो अब हम इसको बता रहे हैं कि कैसे एक्सप्रेस किया जाएगा. Can you write this one? A plus A dash plus A minus A dash. Can you write this like this? If you simplify, what is it? Minus A dash plus A dash will be cancelled. A plus A will be 2A. तो क्या ये वैल्यू 2A के बराबर है? Yes, it is equal to 2A. If you write A is equal to, then just divide by 2 both sides. So you will have A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash, divide by 2. This expression means a right side expression will be treated as, it is given as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. जैसे तुम देख सकते हो कि A plus A dash is equal to this one symmetric and A minus A dash is equal to skew symmetric. Just put the value. So if you put the value of symmetric and symmetric, so it will be A is equal to 1 by 2, 4, 4, 4, 10 plus 1 by 2, 0, 2, minus 2, 0. And don't solve further. Just you leave here. क्योंकि only the in question it is asking the express the square matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So no need to solve further. You have to leave the answer here. So this is the way. If you can choose the any 3 cross 3 matrix, it is given in the exercise, you can do. But every questions you do in the given exercises, exercise 3.4 in the ML Agrawal or anywhere from any book you can do. You must follow the Study Bright channel because you will get the latest information and easy way to learn of the chapters related to mathematics in the class 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm uploading the videos. So you must see and get the knowledge. Thank you. Have a nice day.